Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I want to share with you a $3,000 per month proposal, meaning this proposal that I'm about to share with you actually landed me a $3,000 per month client that I'm still working with right now. Every month, month after month, I get paid $3,000 from this client. And this is not a fluff. This is a client I'm currently working with again. And I'm going to be blowing out some things, just not trying to make public anything that they wouldn't like made public because I'm still currently working with them. And if you go just follow the things that I'm going to share with you in this video, I'm pretty sure that if you apply them, you can start landing clients like this at this amount as well. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the video and let's just look through some of the elements of this proposal that really stood out. So first of all, this is the job posting. It was posted 27 days ago. Senior account manager for digital ad agency. So they needed an account manager for a digital ad agency, anywhere from 10 hours per week. So so this is like an hourly position, but not really. I charge them on a retainer basis, but I will be working anywhere between 5 and 10 hours a week. Please read. They say, we're not looking for someone to run ads. You will not be running ads in this position. You must be USA based. You must speak native English, understand how to run ads, Google Ads, TikTok ads proficiently, and be able to troubleshoot campaigns, which is exactly what I do right now. Anyways, they're looking for an immediate hire for the right candidates, a cheerful point of contact for clients, which is what I love doing. I love interfacing with clients a lot. Anyways, your written, spoken English, Facebook ads, professional appearance, personable, fun, pay rate to say $2,500. No, I didn't charge it $2,500. Anyways, I'm going to show you the proposal that I sent to them. Where is it? So here's the message. I said, hey, this person, here's a short introduction that I made. I said that you're looking for someone with an extensive experience, not just with ads, but in communications. I've been a client-facing freelancer for the last 4 years within an agency, and for the previous 2, not only have I run high-end budget ROAS ads, I've also been able to work successfully with clients in a senior ads manager role. Of course, requires constant, clear, and swift communication. I like to believe this is one of my biggest strengths. If you're looking for an astute professional who needs no hand-holding and will hit the ground running, I'm your guy. I'll be happy to jump on a call to discuss further. So what are the things that I mentioned here? I see that you're looking for someone with an extensive experience, not just with ads, but in communication. So these are the things that are most important to them. They want someone who can communicate, not just run ads. Anyone can run ads, but not a lot of people can communicate in a professional way. And I said I've been a client-facing freelancer for the last 4 years, and I went ahead to showcase the things that I've done, how this role, I'm well suited to this role. And I said for the last 4 years within an agency, and for the previous 2 as a freelancer is what I meant right here. So I know they're an agency and they need someone with agency experience. That's why I put that in there. Not only have I run high-budget ROAS ads, but I've also been able to work successfully with clients in a senior ads manager role. Of course, they need, this is an agency, they spend a lot of money, and they want to know that you've been able to manage high budgets in the past. So that's why I put that in there. You want to showcase your best, your biggest strengths. You don't want to showcase everything, but you want to showcase your strengths as it relates to what they are looking for. So if you're looking for someone, and I know a position like this requires constant, clear, and swift communication, I like to believe this is one of my biggest strengths. Of course, I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I like to believe that this is one of my biggest strengths. So this is not to, brag. You're not writing that in a braggy way. You're just saying it with a little bit of, humility, but also highlighting your biggest strengths as well. And I say, if you're looking for an astute professional who needs no hand-holding and we hit the ground running, I'm your guy. Just short, simple, straight to the point. And if you can see here, I said here's a short introduction that I made. That is on the first paragraph. So if they are reading that message, that is the first thing they see. And like I said in my previous videos, which I'll link here, you want to accompany every proposal with a video, and I'm going to show you that video very shortly. And I said, you want to lead with the name. Hi there, Andrew and team. And how did I know their name? Of course, I went to the review section of the client's profile and I look at what other freelancers have written in the past. They mention the name Andrew. You want to do that as well. Personalize every proposal to that person. Now let's go to the video that I sent to them. I'm going to play that right now. I'm going to listen to everything that I said. It's just a summary of everything that I wrote in that proposal. Simple. Let's go.
Hello, Andrew and team. This is Daniel. I just wanted to make this very short video to introduce myself and just give some background on what I can bring to the team. So I see you're looking for someone who possesses qualities that can relate with clients and able to run ads as well. Of course, the person is not going to be running ads like you've mentioned, but I do have an extensive experience when it comes to running ads. I have worked in client-facing roles in the past, and I still do for various clients within an agency and as a freelancer as well. So if you're looking for someone who knows what they're doing, not just in relation with clients, but also how to run ads and make necessary deductions and communicate that effectively to clients, I believe I am the guy for that purpose. And I can show you what I've done in terms of like ads that I've run. I run ads on a day-to-day basis, but since this is not what you will be having me do in this position, I wouldn't go too much into that. But if you're looking for someone who communicates effectively, knows how to run ads across various platforms, Facebook, Google, TikTok, and PPC in general, I am that guy. And also, if you want to jump on a call to discuss this even further, I'll be more than happy to do that. I will be one call, one message away. So I look forward to speaking with you at some point. Thank you.
Yep. So that is the video message. That is what I sent to this client, and they were so kind enough to get back to me. We jumped on a call, then on a second call with the with the higher up in the company, and a few days later I can show the email right here where they mentioned that they're very happy to have me on board, and we started work right away. Anyways, this is the $3,000 proposal that landed me a $3,000 client per month. And if you apply some of the things here, I'm pretty sure you will get clients like this as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and also my ebook Upwork 101 is in the description. Let me know where to send it, and I'll send it right up to you. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.